In today's world, with the fast development of society, people's dependence on electricity is increasing. The energy crisis is worsening, and the greenhouse effect is intensifying, causing the global warming and sea level rising. It is urgent to resolve the crisis. People are constantly exploring how we can develop green energy with technology and make breakthroughs with innovation, green manufacturing, dark factories, zero carbon factories. With advances in technology, let the integrative high voltage inverter motor without transformer and have greatly reduced energy consumption. Focusing on new energy, we have improved energy efficiency with unit cascaded technology and opened up a green path toward low carbon development. China is a major industrialized country. Each year, manufacturing consumes about 70% of electricity of the country, of which more than 65% is consumed by motors. If we can save energy through full adoption of inverters, we will save 1.2 trillion kilowatts annually, which is equivalent to the power generation of the Three Gorges hydropower station for 12 years. Efficient electricity is a feasible strategy to solve the energy crisis. On the road of energy saving, we constantly need technology iterative. We replaced the brake resistance with energy feedback device for rail transit to achieve regeneration and utilization of braking energy. The annual electricity consumption of the urban rail transit system is about 15 billion kilowatts, of which the traction power consumption accounts for more than 50% of the total energy consumption. The energy feedback device can save traction power consumption by 10 to 15%, saving electricity by at least 750 million kilowatts, and reducing carbon emission by 600,000 tons. Regenerative electricity is a move to practice low-carbon innovation in the city. Mining safety is the prerequisite and guarantee of industrial development. Flame-proof equipment has extended green electricity smoothly into dangerous environments such as gas and dust in coal mines. Flame-proof electricity is the strong guarantee of the green development of smart mines. How to resolve the conflict between green new energy and the healthy operation of the power grid. And how to make the grid dust-free and as strong as the mountain has become a new topic that must be solved. SVG, as the lungs of green power, provides fast and reliable responses and support to keep the grid voltage stable. Friendly electricity is the green answer of clean energy. To use the green power smoothly, it is impossible without energy storage, the large power bank. It changes new energy from uncontrollable to controllable sources. It supports the goal of generating 90% of power consumption from renewable energy generation by 2060, and could ensure the reliable operation of power systems. Stored electricity is the mystery of uninterpreted use of green electricity. With the relentless march of development each passing day, we are facing with both opportunities and challenges. With the double carbon goal, we take the green power revolution as our mission. Through constant innovation and technology, continuously promote power electronic equipment to integrate all industries. To embrace a new era featuring the new power system. and to jointly build the ecological civilization we enjoy